Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we will see can we calculate length of generator. First we will implement generator and then we will see can we calculate its length. So I will take here one sequence generator. So to implement generator we have to use round bracket. So in comprehension way I am implementing generator. So for I in range 20, so I will take here 10, right? And what I want to do, I want to square each element from this collection I into I, right? So this is collection part and this is expression part, right? So this is generator. So we will print this sequence generator on the console. So now it is giving us generator object. So for I want to access its value. So for that either we have to use next function or for loop. So I will use here for loop for val in sequence generator print val, right? So now here I will run this. So now we got this values. So it has done square of numbers from 0 to 9. So this is the generator object. So what is our question? Can we calculate length of generator? So remember this, generator is not having length property. So if I try to check it, print len of sequence generator. So we will see. So now here we are getting error. Object of type generator has no len. Means you can't calculate length of generator. So it can be an interview question. Can you calculate length of generator? So you have to remember you can't calculate length of generator. Right? So if you like this video, please like it, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.